school glue or washable. It has to be washable. It can be any kind of school glue. And shaving cream is optional. I don't know if I'm using it yet. And then food coloring if you want to put color in it. But I'm not putting color in mine today. So, and also a bottle of water to put in here and shake it up and get all the glue out. So let's get started. Oh, and the activator I'm using, Tide. You'll also need some kind of activator, so borax, contact solution, or Tide. Tide works the best. I've never used contact solution, but I like Tide way better than borax. Okay, so time to put the water in the thing. And a little tip, if you make slime and it's too hard, put it in the microwave with some water on it for 1 minute and it should loosen it up, make it stretchy again. Okay, now that all that's gone, that's enough. Now just mix it up. Mix all the water and stuff together. And then if you was going to add shaving cream, now would be the time to add it, but I have a lot of fluffies on, so I'm not going to add them. Now, after you add your shaving cream, if you did shaving cream, put your Tide in, little by little. Don't put a lot or it'll all harden up. Gotta stir and stir and stir it, and once it isn't sticking to the side of the bowl anymore and it's not sticky, take it out and knead it with your hands. Then just knead it with your hands when you think it's ready. I think this was a fail because it's not becoming slime, it's just melting. I think it's because of the Tide that I have, but I'm not sure. I think you're supposed to use the red Tide, and I have the yellow. So this was a fail, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what I did wrong so I can fix it, and I'll make more slime videos and hopefully it works next time. Thank you for watching.